A big number of celebration hosts do not have as much cash to invest on their celebration as they had. There are a number of various methods that you can go about preparing an unforgettable Thanksgiving celebration while on a budget plan. One of the finest methods to prepare a Thanksgiving celebration on a budget plan is to establish a strategy for whatever you will desire to prepare, what types of foods you would like to serve at your celebration, how numerous visitors you would like to welcome, and what types of home entertainment you would like to have on hand. After you have actually developed a list of what you require to buy, consisting of food and other celebration materials, you will require to identify precisely how much cash you have to invest on your Thanksgiving celebration. If you remove a particular type of food or a number of visitors to cut down your expenses, you might quickly be able to include them back on, depending on how much cash you conserve when going shopping for all of your required Thanksgiving celebration materials. If you desire to conserve cash when acquiring the products required for your Thanksgiving celebration, as you likely do, there are a number of various actions that you can take to make that take place. Whether your celebration consists of treats or a complete-fledged Thanksgiving supper, you can conserve yourself a relatively big quantity of money by purchasing your food or drinks while they are on sale. Since a party really isn't complete without decorations, you may wish to purchase party decorations for your home. For the largest selection of Thanksgiving decorations, it is advised that you purchase your decorations as soon as they hit the store shelves. For the most affordable Thanksgiving decorations, you are advised to shop at discount stores, dollar stores, and department stores. Along the lines of Thanksgiving party decorations is party seating. Whether you are hosting a formal Thanksgiving party, complete with a sit-down dinner, or just a casual party, there is a good chance that you may need extra chairs and tables. The pointers discussed above are simply a few of the many manner in which you can prepare a Thanksgiving celebration on a spending plan. With the correct amount of preparation, it might be a clean trick that your celebration was not just simple to strategy, however simple to pay for. A large number of party hosts do not have as much money to spend on their party as they wish they had. After you have created a list of what you need to purchase, including food and other party supplies, you will need to determine exactly how much money you have to spend on your Thanksgiving party. Since a party really isn't complete without decorations, you may wish to purchase party decorations for your home. Along the lines of Thanksgiving party decorations is party seating. Whether you are hosting a formal Thanksgiving party, complete with a sit-down dinner, or just a casual party, there is a good chance that you may need extra chairs and tables.